Welcome back. I am Muhim from Muhim Tutorial. So in the previous class we were learning trigonometry exercise number 11.1. So up to 3 questions we completed. Today we are going to learn the 4th question. Our 4th question is, if cos A is equal to 12 by 13, if cos A is equal to 12 by 13, then we have to find sin A tan. Then we have to find sin A and tan A. So as we know that means here it is given sin cos A. So our right angle triangle will be ABC. So I am giving here A and right angle at B, and this is C. So it is given cos A is equal to 12 by 13. Cos A is equal to 12 by 13. So we know that cos is equal to adjacent by hypotenuse. Adjacent by hypotenuse. So when we are saying cos A is equal to adjacent by hypotenuse, so adjacent is 12, hypotenuse is 13. So directly I am writing adjacent, this is the adjacent, it's 12 and hypotenuse is 13. So we got adjacent and hypotenuse, but we have to find the sine. We know that sine means opposite by hypotenuse. So here opposite we don't have. So what we have to do? We have to find the opposite by the Pythagoras theorem. So Pythagoras theorem says that hypotenuse square is equal to opposite square plus adjacent square. So very simply, hypotenuse it is given 13 square is equal to opposite is 12 square plus adjacent is given, adjacent is not given, adjacent is given, opposite is not given, opposite is BC square and adjacent is given, it is 12 square. So it is 13 means 169, 13 into 13 it is 169, BC square it is 12 into 12 144. So 169 minus 144 is equal to BC square. 169 minus 144, it is 9 minus 4 is 5, 6 minus 2, 6 minus 4 is 2, so it is 25. BC square is equal to 25. When we take the square out, so we got the value BC is 25. Sorry, BC is 5. BC is 5, we got the value. Now we can find anything. But here it is asked that sin A and tan. So sin A is equal. Sin A is equal to क्या है भाई? Sin A is equal to, we know that opposite by hypotenuse. So I am writing here opposite by hypotenuse. So opposite क्या है? How much opposite is here? We got 5. So opposite is 5 and hypotenuse is 30. Then tan A. Tan A क्या है? Tan A is opposite by adjacent. So opposite by tan A is equal to opposite by adjacent. So opposite we have like 5 and adjacent we have 12. So 5 by 12 is the answer. So like that easily we can do it. All the questions are same like if we remember these ratios, easily we can find out. Only here Pythagoras theorem we have to remember, right? So next we are going to do that question number 5. So question number 5 we know in our textbook, question number 5 is given. It is if 3 tan A is equal to 4, then find sin A and cos A. Question number 5 is if 3 tan A is equal to 4. If 3 tan A is equal to 4. So we have to find out sin A and cos A. Sin A and cos A. These two we have to find out. So what is given here? 3 tan A. So easily we can go, like for example, 3 tan A is equal to 4. So if we send this 3 this side, so it will come in the division. So I am writing like this: tan A is equal to 4 by 3. Tan A is equal to 4 by 3. Now same thing, our triangle, right angle triangle. Here also it is given A. That means A, B, C. B is a 90 degree. So we know that tan is equal to opposite by adjacent. Opposite by adjacent. So here opposite क्या आ गया भाई? Opposite is 4 and adjacent is 3. Opposite is 4 and adjacent is 3. Now what we have to find here? We have to find here hypotenuse. So same formula, we have to go with the Pythagoras. Hypotenuse square is equal to opposite square plus adjacent square. So hypotenuse, what is the hypotenuse? It is AC. AC square is equal to opposite is given 4 square plus adjacent is given 3 square. So AC square is equal to 4 means 4 4 is 16, 3 3 is 9. AC square is equal to 16 plus 9 is 25. That means AC is equal to 5 we got. AC is equal to 5 we got. Now we got that hypotenuse is equal to 5. तो अब अपने पास hypotenuse है. So we can find anything. We can find out anything. You can also find. So it is very easy for you also. It is here given sin A. Sin A means what? Sin A means opposite by hypotenuse. So opposite what? Opposite is opposite of angle A. Opposite of angle A is 4 and hypotenuse is 5. Hypotenuse is 5. So opposite also we got and hypotenuse also we got. So sin A is equal to 4 by 5. Now we have to find out cos A. Cos A is equal to adjacent by hypotenuse. Adjacent by hypotenuse. So adjacent of the angle A is 3. Adjacent of angle A is 3 and hypotenuse is 5. So 3 by 5 is the answer. So like that easily, if you know the ratios, easily you can find all the answers. Only the thing, this Pythagoras formula you have to remember. So okay, the next question is question number 6. We will go for it. Question number 6 is in triangle ABC and triangle XYZ, if A and B are acute angles such that cos A and cos X, then show that angle A is equal to angle X. So here he said here it is very easy to do. Just here it is confusing confusing us. So we have to remember that. For example, two triangles are there. Two triangles are there. Question number 6. One triangle is triangle ABC. Triangle ABC, right angle. Angle is this. Another triangle is triangle XYZ. XYZ. And 90 degree. So here he said in the question, in triangle ABC and XYZ, if angle A, angle B, angle A and angle X are acute angle such that cos A is equal to cos X, then find that angle A is equal to angle X. So he said here cos A is equal to cos X. Cos angle A is equal to cos angle X. So we have to prove angle A is equal to angle X. So directly we can say, we can remove the cos and we can say that angle A is equal to angle X. But we will go with the method. So we know that cos A means we know it is adjacent by hypotenuse. And this is also adjacent by hypotenuse. So when we see adjacent by hypotenuse, adjacent of angle A is BC and hypotenuse is AC. Hypotenuse is AC is given, and then here he said opposite of this, adjacent of this. Adjacent of this is AB, AB, and this is adjacent of this is XY, and hypotenuse is XZ. Hypotenuse is XZ. So this is BC by AC and XY by XZ we got. XY by XZ we got. So we can easily find out when we are saying that this BC is equal to XY, that means this BC is equal to, BC is adjacent is AB. So AB is equal to XY. When we are saying AB is equal to XY and AC is equal to YZ. AC is equal to YZ. So here these two sides are equal. So we learned in the previous classes, in previous chapter, that there is a congruency. Congruency, the criteria of congruency here is SAS, side angle side. Side angle side. So the criteria of congruency SAS says that there should be two sides and including angle will be equal. So this side and this side is equal, this side and this side equal. That's why angle A equal to angle X. Angle A equal to angle X. So this is cos A is equal to cos X is given. So this is adjacent by hypotenuse, adjacent by hypotenuse. Adjacent is AB, hypotenuse is AC, AB by AC, and adjacent is XY and hypotenuse is XZ. So this is equal, that's why angle A equal to angle X. Okay, the next question is, given cot theta is equal to, next 7 question he given. Next 7 question he given. 7 question, cot theta is equal to 7 by 8. Then evaluate. Here he given cot theta is equal to 7 by 8. Then we have to evaluate something here. Here it is given two bits in one question. The first one is 1 plus sine theta, 1 minus sine theta by 1 plus sine theta into 1 minus cos theta. So first one is given 1 plus sine theta into 1 minus sine theta whole by 1 plus cos theta into 1 minus cos theta is given. This is our question. We have to find the value of this thing. So now see, here it is given cot theta is equal to 7 by 8. We already know how to find out the sides. So it is, for example, this is a right angle triangle A, B, C. You can give any name, and I am giving this A as a theta. So we know that cot theta is equal to 7 by 8 is given, and cot theta is opposite of tan theta, and tan theta is equal to opposite by adjacent. So cot theta is equal to adjacent by opposite. So here adjacent is 7 and opposite is 8. Adjacent of theta is this 7 and the opposite of theta is this is 8. Now we have to find out hypotenuse. Hypotenuse find out करने के लिए we have to go with the same formula, Pythagoras formula. Hypotenuse square is equal to opposite square plus adjacent square. So what we are getting, hypotenuse is AC, AC square is equal to opposite is 8, 8 square plus adjacent is 7, 7 square. AC square is equal to 8 square means 8 is 64 and 7 square means 49. 7 7 is 49. Now if we add this to 64 plus 49, it is 13, 1 and 10, 11. So AC square is equal to, it is 130. So if we take the root, we cannot take out the AC 113 root. We can take, but it will be in the point. So that's why we are keeping as it is. AC is equal to under root 130. So I am writing here. AC is equal to under root 130. So hypotenuse we got under root 130. Now we have to find this one. The question number 1 is, it is given 1 plus sine theta into 1 minus sine theta by 1 plus cos theta into 1 minus cos theta. So this is 1 plus sine theta, 1 minus sine theta. That means it looks like a plus b into a minus b. And it is also, it's look like a plus b into a minus b. We know the formula a plus b into a minus b is equal to a square minus b square. We have the formula a square minus b square. We have formula, maybe you remember this formula, a plus b into a minus b is equal to a square minus b square. So by this formula I am writing this 1 square plus minus sine square theta by 1 square minus cos square theta. Here at the place of a 1 is there, at the place of b sine is there. Here at the place of a is 1 is there, and at the place of b cos square. So now it becomes little bit simple. 1 square means 1 minus sine square theta by 1 minus cos square theta. So 1 minus sine square theta, already we know sine means what? Sine means it the opposite by hypotenuse. Opposite by hypotenuse square. By it is also, it cos means adjacent by hypotenuse square. So here we can see that opposite of theta, it's 8 by 130. So it is 1 minus 8 by 1 under root 130 square by 1 minus adjacent is 7 by under root 130 whole square. 130 whole square. So we will get here, it is 1 minus 8 square is 64 and 130 square and root will be cancelled, it become 130 whole by 1 minus 7 square is 49 and by 130. Take LCM of the both. Upside LCM is 113, 130. 113 into 1 into 113, 130 minus 64 into 1, 64 whole by downside is LCM is what? 130. So 1 into 130 is 130 minus 49 into 1 is 49. So now we are going to see that 130 minus here this 113 and 113 will be cancelled. 113 and 113 will be cancelled, and 113 minus 64, how much it is? 113 minus 64, 13 minus 4, 13 minus 4 is 9, and here it is 0, so take 1, 10 minus 6 is 4, so here upside we got 49 and downside 13 minus 49, it's a 64, so our answer is 49 by 64. So one more time, see here what we did, cot theta is equal to 7 by 8, already it is given. So we know that cot theta is equal to adjacent by opposite. So adjacent हम लोग लेंगे 7 and opposite हम लोग लेंगे 8. So we draw the right angle triangle. So we have to find out the hypotenuse. So by the Pythagoras theorem हम लोग जो है hypotenuse find out करें. 113 आया, 113 का रूट नहीं निकल सकता, इसलिए मैं 130 रखा. So I put at the place of hypotenuse it's 130. We have to find out 1 plus sin theta into 1 minus sin theta, 1 plus cos theta into 1 minus cos theta. तो अब यहाँ पे क्या किया मैं, ये a plus b into a minus b के फॉर्मूले में है, बल्कि शॉर्ट में लिख दिया, a square minus b square, a square minus b square. That means 1 square minus sin square theta, 1 square minus cos square theta. 1 का स्क्वायर करें तो 1 ही होता, 1 का स्क्वायर करें तो 1 होता, एंड साइन का स्क्वायर एज इट इज, 1 का स्क्वायर 1, cos स्क्वायर एज इट इज. साइन मींस अपोजिट बाय हाइपोटेनस ऑफ थीटा, तो अपोजिट क्या है, 8 है एंड हाइपोटेनस क्या है, 113 है, तो 8 by 113 लिख दिया. ये एडजेसेंट बाय हाइपोटेनस, तो 7 by रूट 113 लिखिए. तो अभी क्या करें हम लोग, बाय 1 लेके एलसीएम लो. ये ऊपर वाला एलसीएम 113 हुआ, so 1 into 113, 113, 64 into 1, 64, and नीचे वाला भी 113 हुआ, तो 1 into 113, 113, 49 into 1, 49 हुआ. So now 113 minus 64 is 49, and 113 minus 49 is 64. 113, 113 cancel. तो अपने को आंसर आया 49 by 64. Like that, we completed the answer. Question number 7. So next question is. Then next question is in this one more BT is there. We will do the next question in the next video. Thanks for watching this video, and I request that to subscribe my channel and like my videos. So it will be a very grateful thing, and I will be appreciated and encouraged, so I can make the whole book. I will try to make it in bi-language, Hindi and English. So whole book I want to make the videos for you only, for the 10th class students, right? Thank you for watching.